The two words that help us came up with the name of our company is content and advertising. So what do? We connect brands with their audiences using the power of images and videos. This not only leads to a nice and memorable experience for the user, but it also delivers great results for the brands. And it helps avoid the issues such as the ad blocking problem that we face today. The company is up and running. We have successfully completed 300 campaigns in Greece and abroad. We are delighted, obviously, to be part of the MITEF organization and competition. And the reasons are three. First of all, because mentorship and advice at such a level is crucial for us. It helps the business development of our company and our growth. Secondly, because we believe that learning from mistakes of others is crucial as well. So we very much like to exchange our views and problems. And lastly, since we are constantly developing technologically our platform, if we manage to reach the end of this competition, that will be a big boost for our growth plans.